Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video guys, I will show you how you can be able to schedule your phone to automatically power off. Guys, in this video today I will be showing you how you can be able to automatically power on and power off your phone without even doing anything. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing I'm gonna be doing today, here we have to open our settings application. But guys, please, before we continue, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. Alright guys, here we have to open our settings application. Here you have to watch this video till end. Please make sure you do not skip for a better understanding. So guys, as you can see, once you open your settings application like this, here you have to click on this search settings, and here you have to click and search for schedule. Here you have to search for schedule, and here we have to click on search like this. So guys, as you can see, here we have to click on it, and then we're gonna wait for it to finish. So guys, as you can see, it will be open up like this. And guys, we have schedules, we have schedule, and here we have schedule power on and power off and other schedulings here. So guys, for the sake of this video today, here we have to click on this schedule power on and off and restart. So guys, here we click on it like this. So guys, as you can see, you can be able to schedule your phone to automatically restart or to automatically power off by itself. So guys, here we can be able to enable it. For instance, here I will be using this first interface. Here you have to click on this icon here in order to enable it. So guys, once you enable it like this, it will power off, guys, as you can see. And here what we're going to be doing next, here you have to click on this second one like this, and guys, as you can see, it will power off in the next 3 hours. So guys, in order to do this properly, here we'll have to click on this icon here. And guys, as you can see, sorry for this interruption guys. So guys, as you can see, here we have the time and here we have the repeat day. So guys, here we have to click on the time to set up your time. So guys, for instance, if you want to sleep by 12 o'clock, or if you want your phone to power off or restart by 12 o'clock or 12 p.m, what we're going to be doing, here we have to set off our time. Here, for the sake of this video, I will be using this is the time we're going to set up. Here we have 12, and here you can be able to select either AM or PM. So guys, as you can see here you can be able to select the seconds. So guys, here I will select 12 AM. So guys, if you want your phone to automatically power off by 12 AM, here you have to set up your time like this. And guys, after you must have set up your time like this, here you have to click on OK. And guys, you can be able to use it as a repeat day. Here you can click on repeat day. You can be able to do it for the whole of the week, and maybe you can be able to also do it only on Mondays or Tuesdays or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. You can be able to select a particular day. For instance, if you want your phone to be restarting every Thursday and Friday and Wednesday, you can be able to mark the actual date that you want. So guys, for instance, for the sake of this video, here we have to use, for instance, Sundays already. I want my phone to power off or restart exactly by 12 AM by Sundays. So guys, here you have to click on it, and here after then you have to click on this good icon by the top right hand side. So guys, as you can see, we have already set up. And guys, again, we can also set up a restart. This is a restart and this is power off. Please, you have to understand, this is power off and this is a restart. So guys, you can also set up a restart. Guys, as you can see, we have this interface. Set a schedule restart to improve your phone's performance. Phone will attempt to restart in 1 hour past the scheduled time. Restart takes place only when so guys, as you can see, you can be able to enable the time of the restart again that you want your phone to automatically restart. So for instance, if you want your phone to restart by 8 or 6 AM, for the sake of this video, we're going to be using 6 AM. That's, as you can see, if you want your phone to restart by 6 AM, for instance, on Mondays, here you have to set up your time, and here you have to select AM. Make sure you select AM, and here you have to click on OK. And here we have the repeat day. So guys, you can be able to use Monday, you can be able to use any day, or you can be able to use the whole of the week by marking the whole of the week or by marking the whole of the days. So guys, after then you have to click on OK, and then you have to click on this particular icon here in order to save. So guys, as you can see, we have already set our power schedule off or restart. This is how you can be able to do it, as simple as this. And please, if you enjoyed this video or if you have any question, drop a comment on the comment box. And if you found this video to be helpful to you, please hit on the like button and don't forget to also share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and do have a wonderful time ahead. Bye bye.